If you want to turn your quick share on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, look at your settings. After that, scroll down to your connected devices option. Here, we gotta find our quick share. So make sure that you're logged in into your Samsung account. You'll need this. So now, let's find our nearby sharing option and let's find who can share with you. So choose who you want to allow to share with you, contacts only or everyone. For example, let's press everyone. You can set it only for 10 minutes, so it would be deactivated in 10 minutes. So let's press done. And now it is allowed. Also, you should tap on the allow sharing over internet, because if a direct connection to the other device is unavailable or unstable, we can allow sharing over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.